Yo guys, it's me again. If you know me at school, I told you I'm going to be doing an unboxing review. So here it is. It's from Epic Militaria. I've just ordered a load of military stuff. I hope you didn't have anything doing this. So I've been waiting for this stuff for not even a week yet, which is really good. So I'm just going to get straight into the box. Right. So, oh, that looks nice. So, first thing is my first aid pack. Yeah. That would go there on my jump uniform, which you can see I've got on. I'm the 101st Airborne. Next up is the musette bag, which will go on my back. I can't show you it at the moment, but I'll post a photo of it on my kit on Instagram. Next up, the brown leather sheath for the M6 fighting knife. It is actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. And that was made in India for all my Indian viewers out there, which is probably just one. Next up, I've got the canvas leggings, which would go on over the boots. Yeah, I think these, I might actually have to send these back. I think they're too big. Next, wow, they're actually really nice as well. Technical Sergeant rank stripes. You have to buy two if you want a pair. They would go there in replacement of these stripes there. Last bit is, move this box out of the way, is the pistol holster, which is actually open, so I can take that out for you just to see. Here it is. It's rattling. No, it's not. God, that's a bit stiff. I need to give it a bit of oiling, but there you can see the inside of it. If my cameraman can just give you an insight view. There. That's the inside of it. It's good quality. I really recommend Epic Militaria. I should get this back on now, because they do some great kit. It's going to be a short video today, guys, because I've got to get my engine later, so I'm looking forward to that. Get rip into this because I really can't be bothered to do it nicely. This is the leather fighting knife leather sheath. That's very nice condition, bit dusty, but oh well. Then first aid packet feels really nice. It feels like there's nothing in there really, but it doesn't really matter because that would just sit there or on my helmet there. Leggings, I'm just ripping open. These are reproduction ones. Actually, looking at them now, they might actually be perfect for me. I don't know, I'll try them on later. But that's them. That bit will go under your boot. Musette bag is very nice. Where's the straps for them? There and there. That's the straps. So if I just quickly jump up, there's that bit there as well. Oh, didn't even know that. Let me fling this onto my back a sec. That would go there. Oh, where's my other strap gone? I've lost my other strap. Cameraman, where's the other strap gone? There you go. Thank you, cameraman. And that would clip onto there, and then you've got your musette bag. Yeah, that's my basic kit at the moment. I haven't shown you a bit of this. So I've got first aid tin, canteen, deactivated ammunition. I'll just give you a close up. Deactivated and all whatnot. I have my helmet in the front room. I can't be asked to show you that. So, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Have fun, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, peace out.